Just doing some preparations, going to start doing the block work today. So I'm going to just put a wall starter kit on that wall there. And I'm coming in about 50mm because I've decided I'm going to put some external insulation on. Just because, again, I got good access to it, and I thought what I keep in there will be a sort of more of a constant temperature rather than, you know, those extreme hot and cold temperature which cause condensation. So that's what it is there. That just gets bolted to the wall, and you have those little brackets which tie into the courses as you go up. So I'm going to crack on with that, and I'll give you another little update as we go along then. I would have done this a bit sooner, just it's been very cold followed by a bit of wet weather. So just in case you're wondering what that is, it's just a liquid damp course membrane. It's overkill because I'm going to turn the DPC, the damp course membrane, over and lay on that anyway. So, but as you know, I overkill anyway. So wish me luck and keep your fingers crossed that it stays dry for me. Well, I did as much as I could last night before it got too dark. So we've got 3 courses on there, so another 5 to go, I'd say. So that's what it's looking like at the moment. This is obviously the entrance here. So I'll continue to press on. Alright, I've got most of the block work done. I'm actually 7 blocks short, no, not even 7, about 6.5, just to get to the finished height. And combine that with it was only light rain, but it started raining a little bit, so I just got to pick up another 6 blocks and that'll be done then. So it's taking shape now. I've just temporarily covered it up, and I'll grab some more blocks, and as soon as it dries up again, it looks like it is drying up now, we'll crack on then. Oh, it's just so wet now, so I picked up the few extra blocks I need just to finish that off, so I won't bother doing a little video on that. The next video I'll do is actually it all finished there, the new bike shed, and I'm even going to, don't tell anyone, but definitely thinking about tiling the floor. I don't know if that's a bit much, but I just thought it'd be nice, easy way of keeping it clean. So we got that there. So I want to keep all my motorcycle gear and everything in there, so I'm going to actually do an external insulation, get me words out, just to keep everything sort of you know, at an ambient temperature and stop anything going mouldy or anything in there. And we'll render all that as well. So we'll do a little part 3 just with it, you know, the new roof and rendered and everything, and I'll show you the stages of that. Until then, as usual, like and subscribe, and keep following us, recommend us, share us, and it's all very, very much appreciated. I chuffed to bits. I got over 500 now, and slowly climbing, so all the support is definitely appreciated. And in fact, my little task for this day, because it's all raining, is I'm just going to try it out for size. I'm going to just see how that ground anchor works out and the chain there. So I'll just I know it's fine, but that's another thing. I've got a really nice door going on as well, so I'll show you all that as well when it goes on. Really good secure door, and we'll get it all done for you. Until then, see you in the next episode.